How to download any protected videos from any sites with ease. Then first of all, open your Chrome browser and type on Google Video Download Helper. Now click on the official website. Now after you click on it, now click on install for Chrome, and after that click on add to Chrome and add extension. Now after a while our extension is added to our browser. Now to be able to see it here, just click on this manager, extension manager here, and click on this pinned icon to be able to see our extension here. Now go to the website that you want to download the video from, and after you select your video, I will select video here. Now I will go to the video that I want to download, for example this one. Now make sure to play it like for 5 seconds like this, and now go to your extension here, and as you can see our video is like this, or it will appear here like, and click on download. So after a while, after this process is completed, now you can open the folder from here, and now you can like see it here. So this is our video. So this is how to download any video, any protected videos from any sites with ease. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.